So guys, right now Yewande is making the mixture for like the big cake. So right now she's using the mixture, like the appliance, to soften the batter, right, Yewande?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is just before the sugar is added.
Yeah.
Just so that it's soft.
Yeah. I feel so lucky right now. Like, if you have friends who cook for you, it's the best. The best feeling ever. So you're adding sugar bit by bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're adding the eggs little by little.
Yeah.
And this time you didn't separate the yolk from the egg white.
That's right.
Which flavor is that?
That's still vanilla.
Oh, okay.
It's just I ran out of that one, so.
The flour.
That's the flour. In here, is the baking powder and cinnamon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that one is cinnamon. And I'm gonna put it in the flour.
And you're gonna mix it.
That's gonna be mixed together.
So you want me to do it, yeah?
So
Okay.
let's check that it's dry.
Yeah, it is dry. It's dry. So you should mix it.
Just mix it in for me, please.
Okay.
So this is a soft way to do it. So you're not mixing it like you're making swallow. Okay. You can
What
put
is
that.
swallow?
Swallow is what you eat with soup.
Okay.
Like African food. Like you know what you said Martinez made with
Yeah.
arrow.
Yeah. For us, we call it ugali.
Ugali.
Yeah. It's like maize meal.
Ah.
Yeah.
You can let it all go at once.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So you just keep on adding
You
and
fold,
adding and
yeah. So you fold. That's a technique also. You fold. Okay.
So right now we are making the chocolate cake.
Yeah. So this is
You need to melt the chocolate.
Yeah.
Let's see the brand.
The brand is
It's a Greek brand.
yeah, but the main thing is virtual.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not going to be as dark as I want it to be, but I have a plan. I will be using this.
Yeah.
I will darken it.
Yeah. Okay.
And that was 240 grams of butter, of chocolate. 240 grams. And I'm going to put 240, or let me say 250. That'll be easier for me to measure from this butter. This is 500 grams, but I'll take half of it and add that to it, so it melts together.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
that's the process for that one.
Yeah.
Like I already explained, we're not using the mixer for this recipe.
Yeah. Thank God.
Everything's just gonna happen really quickly with this recipe.
Yeah.
So let me prepare the other things, like measure them up.
Okay.
What's going in?
Okay. So this is the chocolate melt
recipe.
yeah, and the chocolate is melted already. So you're gonna add the butter.
Yeah. So the butter is in.
This one's softer.
Yeah.
compared to the first one. The first one
Compared
was
to that one.
quite hard.
That's it. So we leave it to cool down now. While I prepare all the other things that we're gonna add in.
Okay.
So this is one part ready.
So you put flour. Tell me the measurements of the flour.
So the flour is 250 grams.
And then you put the the
dark chocolate was 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, and then now you put
Bicarbonate of soda, and that's 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Okay. And now I'm gonna measure the sugar. I'm using 2 types of sugar. I'm using the brown sugar
And
the white sugar. So I'm gonna reduce the measurement because I don't want it to be too sweet.
okay.
So I'll do it to 5, yeah?
Okay.
So that's just
Of each or
of each.
of each?
Yeah. I'll say that's okay.
Yeah.
Alright. And now this is just the normal white boring one.
Boring. Did you get the brown sugar here?
Yeah, I got it here.
Okay.
I'm gonna put 2 sachets
Of
of vanilla sugar.
vanilla sugar.
Yeah, and this
It's sugar with vanilla.
mixed in already.
Yeah.
So each sachet is 5 grams. So it'll be 10 grams altogether. So because I've put baking powder here, I'm not gonna bother with. I'm sorry, because I've put baking soda here.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna bother with the baking powder.
They serve the same purpose?
They do in my head.
In your head.
Because this is chocolate cake, that's why I'm using the baking soda only. I'm not bothering with the baking powder.
Okay.
Meanwhile, if you remember the other recipe,
We didn't use
we
baking
used baking soda, we used baking powder. That one.
Oh yeah, not the cupcake one. Yeah, I'm still at the cupcake. Yeah, we have
Come on,
passed
get
that. Oh, get with the program.
So all of these are coming into here.
Okay.
But not immediately. We're waiting for it to cool down. So we take a break. But in the meantime, I'm just mixing this together.
Okay.
And the chocolate recipe is just so
Easy.
No mixing.
Nothing.
When I break the egg, we'll mix it in. Okay.
In the chocolate
is-
and butter.
Yeah, direct.
Okay. Just be careful of the shells.
Yeah, I'm watching. Because this is where you don't want any mistake.
Yeah.
Because shell in cake don't
No
taste
good.
nice.
Yeah.
Now it's looking funny. But it's all good.
Yeah.
Another. Oh wow, that's thick. And so after this, I'm gonna add the sugar. I mean, it's dry just like this one.
Yeah.
And I could have mixed them together, but I like to add the flour last for some funny reason. Even I can't explain that reason. I just add it last. So sugar now, bit by bit. And now,
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay, bit by bit. So what do you think?
About
The whole process?
tiring. It's so tiring.
Gotta love it to do it.
Yeah, like if someone just tells you I baked something and you wanna buy it from them, just pay full price. Because I've seen like the work it takes.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
So when you try, that's why you see people charging excessively sometimes. Because remember, this is just the process. We
Yeah.
haven't baked yet.
You haven't baked
And
yet.
then when you finish baking, you want to decorate. That's
Yeah.
another job. So
Yeah.
people charge because there's a lot to the process. When the cake is ready, oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
And when it's tasty, oh, it's nice and yummy. But there's a lot of work in there.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
That's what people need to be aware of.
Oh my god. It's a lot of work. This is like a workout on its own.
Yeah, it's a whole day's job too.
It's a whole day's job. Yeah, we've been here since what? 11:30. 11:30. Yeah. Hi guys. So currently we are at my place. We had to come here because Yewande had to use my oven. Her oven isn't big enough, so we had to come back to use my oven to bake the mixed cake. My eyes are a bit watery because it's really cold outside and I have a cold, so don't mind me. So currently, Yewande, what are you doing?
I'm just
greasing
the pans,
yeah,
getting them ready for the batter. I'm gonna do all three at once, even though one might have to wait.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna grease the pan ready.
Okay, so the oven is preheating, and then we'll fix that like after you're done. You mixed this was the what name did you give it?
This is sponge
cake.
Yeah.
And then now you're mixing it with the chocolate.
Added the chocolate to it.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna twirl it. Like to make a pattern of some sort.
Yeah.
So I don't really want it to be thoroughly mixed.
Yeah. So that if you cut it, you see the pattern.
That's right. That's what I'm trying to do here.
Okay, so this is how they do it.
There you go.
The secret is out, man. The secret is out.
It's no longer a secret.
It's no longer a secret.
Some people are not going to like me for this.
Yeah, they're going to cuss you out.
Why did you have to let it out? But hey ho, it's done now.
Yeah. So guys, this is the first cake that's done. Right, Yewande?
Yes.
Yeah, so we are waiting like for the rest. I think it looks good. It looks nice. Now, this is what she's going to leave for us. So we'll sample this one later, and also we're gonna sample the cupcakes. Yeah, she's making more cupcakes. Yeah. So guys, this is the second cake. Looks like it's done. Is it like ready?
It is ready.
Okay.
This is ready. We're just gonna let it cool down before. Yeah, that one's cooled down now.
It's quite soft even.
It's very
and how about
bouncy.
This one?
Feel it.
Yeah, my hands are clean. Yeah.
Bouncy.
There's like bubbles here though.
Yeah, but the bubbles are not real.
Yeah.
Feel it. Like it's not popping.
Yeah.
But that's fully done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Looks nice.
This is gonna be the last thing.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on that.
Yeah.
I like this color.
Yeah, this one the chocolate
has gotten on
mixed
top.
up. Yeah.
And that was in the plan.
Yeah. So guys, these are the cupcakes that we're gonna sample. The cakes, you already saw the cakes. The cakes are ready. We're gonna also sample I don't know why I call these cupcakes pancakes. It's kind of confusing. Yeah, guys, and we've been filming since 11:30, and right now it's what? What's the time?
11:10.
So we've been filming for 12 hours. I don't think I've ever done that before. This is the first time for me. We've been filming for 12 hours.
It's always a first.
Yeah, the first time. Like you can even see, like I'm really tired, but the struggle continues. The struggle continues. Yeah, just for you guys. So you guys better subscribe because I'm not doing this for anything. I'm not doing this like for nothing. You better subscribe, right, Yewande? They better subscribe, right?
I think they should.
Yeah.
Especially if you want to see more videos.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, guys.